To a casual observer walking through an airport or business district in the Middle East, the traditional white robes worn by men across the Arabian Peninsula often look like a single, standardized garment. However, these subtle variations indicate which nation a man belongs to. The angle of a headpiece fold, the presence of a collar, or the length of a tassel can reveal a man's nationality at a glance. We will look at the specific structural variations used across the 6 Gulf Cooperation Council nations. Understanding these differences requires a basic vocabulary of the attire. This consists of the full-body robe, called a kendora or dishtasha, and the headwear, comprised of a scarf known as the gutra and a black cord called the agal. While the base materials are similar across the region, the differentiation lies in the construction, specifically how the headwear is starched and how the neckline is tailored. To identify these origins, the silhouette must be analyzed from the top down. In Qatar, heavy starch is used to create a stiff cobra shape, a style inspired by the hood of the snake. Saudi Arabia utilizes the bint al-bakar fold. This style avoids rigid starching in favor of complex, draped layers around the face. This approach is often seen with the red and white checked gutra, a common sight in Saudi daily life. Kuwait favors the balanced style. It is defined by perfect symmetry, with both ends of the scarf drawn back over the head to resemble the shape of a scale. These specific geometries, from the starched peaks of Qatar to the balanced drapes of Kuwait, serve as geographical markers. The UAE prefers the teacher's style, a relaxed approach where scarf ends are simply thrown over the shoulders. Bahrain uses the flexible butterfly style, lacking complex starching. Oman is the exception, opting for a patterned hat known as the musar. The Omani musar is often quite colorful, and it features intricate, personalized embroidery details. Whether through starched peaks or specific hats, the top half of the silhouette provides the first indication of a man's national identity. When the headwear is removed, the tailoring of the robe provides further confirmation. Saudi kandoras are tight-fitting, with a 2-button collar and sleeves made for cufflinks. In contrast, Kuwaiti designs are slim-fitting but utilize a 1-button collar. Emirati and Omani designs are colorless. Instead of buttons, they feature specific tassel placements and matching embroidery on the sleeves or chest. These tailoring choices, from the style of the collar to the presence of a tassel, distinguish the silhouettes of each nation. These design rules are generational protocols used to represent national pride. These modern styles have historical roots, where traditional layering and specific headwear have long served as markers of a person's origin. By identifying these sartorial details, a crowd of men transforms into a legible map of the Arabian Peninsula.